Hello guys, in this video I will explain the simulation process of laundry, which is a project of the simulation of the system engineering career of the Salesian Polytechnic, Cuenca, Ecuador. What is proposed to be done is the simulation of the washing process, in which there are several types of vehicles that are automobile, bus, van, and drum truck. There's some ones that proceed to enter to laundry. What is to be how long types the vehicle to wash taking into account wash times, the number machines, the time of arrival of the each vehicle, and the difficulty that might have the sum for which will proceed to develop and explain the project. We proceed to generate numbers in a random while which will help use for the prediction of the vehicles what they arrive, the match that machines can serve, and the probably that the sub runs out. Now we proceed to important for the libraries that will help use in for this project the simple simple library does not help with the simulation process that run in kernel. The random library help use to doubt the numbers in the random and multiply why it's served to grab the result. Now we start to by declarate or arrangement for what the probabilities that we are going to occupy. Then the declarate of the numbers of circles that we want with to question, that is how many times to one simulation will be repeated. The maximum duration of the simulation is that given in unit of time. The maximum number of the circle that business can receive is 50. You can see the time simulation is 200 and number cycles is 6. The number of machines that the business has 3. You can see. And the recovery interval that the machines have it is the mash is 9. You proceed to declare two vector you can see such as vehicles and machines. You can see bus, automobile, van, truck. Machine 1, machine 2, machine 3. With our laundry class, you can see class laundry, we have several methods. We are vehicle transfer. What this do is ask what types of vehicle entered the laundry to know how long it takes to get to the washing machine. You can see the time, the transfer, of vehicle. Faulty machines. You can see. What is due is to know the probability that one of the machines will be damaged and cannot washing any cars for the period previously assigned. Remember, the period is 19. Now, the next method is wash vehicle. What this method does it ask if the shop is at good level it is so it's goes to wash the vehicle without problem or which in will take a period of the time to replace to swap. You can see method washing vehicle. You compare the probability and assignate to more times. You can see the time input the washing to vehicle is 5, 17, 11, 23. The time to transfer is 2, 5, 3, and 8. Now, the next method, arrival vehicle, you can see this method show us the execute of the method that were previously described and in through generate the points of the graph. You can see generate point to save in variables time before to graphic. And final method execute simulation. What this method does is generate a simulation and this call the vehicle arrive method and in turn this call the rest inside this we can see that is where the random numbers are generated in the top part what test that was one are we see and one asking about the simulation circles this to control the numbers of the time the simulation will well reparate change values. After this, we proceed to generate the graphics. We can see variables are read into in this time that same the vehicle arrival method. You can see. Once we have explained the simulation, we proceed in the excuse as and as you can see we'll have result the graphics. You can see result for simulation process in this case 6 simulation process. Now for the generation of the PDF we proceed to save each one of the trace image of the graphics and we to convert in JPG format. The same one that is the one that accept in the generation to PDF and will the construction of trace image we process to generate to PDF. As you can see, to convert image in PNG or JPG, you can see. Now, you will execute the simulation and I will show the graphics and the PDF. Now, execute this part. Run in, you can see, to generate graphics and execute the simulation. No problem. You can see. Graph 1, graph 2, graph 3, graph 4, and graph 5. You can see the PDF to generate image and PDF. You can see. This will be all. Thanks. I hope you like and serve it. See you in next video. Thank you.